Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So class 4, your chapter number 2 memory and storage. We completed last class contents, introduction, RAM, ROM, about, EEPROM, EEPROM, auxiliary storage devices, hard disk, floppy disk, optical disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, etc. And we discuss about this memory, processor, about input output storage. So class 4, let's recap this topic, memory devices. So memory is one or more sets of chips that store data, program, instructions, either temporarily or permanent. Then it is critical processing component in any computer. PCs use several different types like memory devices. Two most important memories are RAM, random access memory, second ROM, read-only memory, and they work in different ways and perform distinct functions in a CPU register and cache memory. So it's known as a two basic important of memory, RAM and ROM. So RAM, students. So RAM is used for temporary memory. Now random access means direct access to any part of memory, and the RAM is packed as a chip. Then basic storage unit is a cell, so known as 1 bit per cell, so is known as a RAM, random access memory, and it's non-volatile memory, ROM, and it's keep the information for a shorter period of time, usually volatile, then faster, more expensive. Then ROM it's a permanent memory and types of ROMs: programmable ROM, PROM, erasable programmable ROM, electrical erasable PROM, PROM, EEPROM and EEPROM. So flash memory is used in portable digital devices. So it's a non-volatile memories, ROM. And we discuss about this topic, student, hard disk. About another form of auxiliary storage is a hard disk, and a hard disk consists of one or more rigid metal plates coated with a metal oxide material that allows data to be magnetically recorded on the surface of the platter. And storage capacity of hard disk for personal computer range from 10 GB to 120 GB. 1 billion bytes are called a gigabyte. Now see a figure of a related of a hard disk sector. Each track is divided into pie-shaped wedges. Then other than cluster is divided two or more sectors combined. Then tracks data is recorded in concentric circular bands. Now student, let's discuss about this book exercise in your chapter number 2, memory and storage. First is a fill in the blanks. So first question is: a computer store all its dash and dash in its storage space, so it's known as data and instruction. Second is external memory is used to store the information for a long period. So long period memory is external memory. Then third, the computer memory consists of many storage locations that have unique dash, it means addresses. Then fourth, the primary memory is of two types, dash and dash, it's a RAM and ROM. Other than CD can store up to dash MB of data, it's a 700 MB. Now let's discuss about next true and false. True and false. First question, student, RAM stand for random access memory. It means a false statement. Second, memory card is approximately of the size of a postage stamp. Yes, it's a correct true statement. Third, the size of a DVD is 4.1 inches. No, it's a false statement. Fourth, 1 byte is equal to 8 bytes. Yes, correct. It's a true statement. Fifth is a pen drive is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. Yes, it's a true statement. Now let's discuss application based questions. See properly. First question, Sahil could not finish his project work in this class, so he wants to carry the soft copy of the project to his house in order to finish it. So which device will you suggest him so as to carry his work? So he will use pen drive, take it to his home. Now second, Raghav wants to copy their 3 movies on a disc and wants to see them at this place. So which will you suggest him to copy all the movies? So a pen drive of 16 GB will help Raghav to copy all the 3 movies. D part is to match the following. So ROM is a internal memory. CD is a 4.1 GB. Flash drive plug and play. DVD is 4.7 inch in diameter and last multimedia card postage stamp size. Next is the multiple choice questions. First, dash store the information temporarily. So it's a RAM. Second is our flash drive can store up to dash of data. So it's a 1 TB of data. Third is dash is the main storage medium for computers. It's known as a hard disk. Okay, last student 4 class we will discuss answer the following question. Number first, define computer memory, name its types. So a computer store all its data and instruction in its storage space, which is known as memory. And 2 types of memories are internal primary memory, external secondary memory. Now second, differentiate between RAM and ROM. So RAM, which stands for random access memory, and RAM is volatile memory that temporarily stores the files you are working on. And ROM which stands for read-only memory, and ROM is not volatile memory that permanently store instruction for your computer. Third is, what is an internal memory? So internal memory is in the form of silicon chips and fixed on the electronic circuit board. Fourth question is here, what is the use of hard disk? So it is the main storage device for computer and it is fixed inside the CPU cabinet and contains all the software and data, and hard disk is made up of multiple disks and platters. Last question is here, what do you know about a compact disc? So compact disc, it is an optical storage medium and it is thin circular disc with a reflecting metal coating, and it can store up to 700 MB of data and measures 4.7 inches in diameters. So students, just go through the question answers and revise and do in your notebook question answer FF part in your notebook. Okay student, just revise all this topic.